Today I'm showing you how to download and install Microsoft Visual C++ Redistributable on Windows. Let's get started. Step 1. Check installed versions. First, let's check which versions you already have installed. Press Windows plus R to open Run. Type appwizpl.cpl and press Enter. This opens Programs and Features. Scroll through the list to see if you have any Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable packages already installed. You might see versions from 2015, 2017, 2019, or 2022. Step 2. Visit Microsoft Download page. Open your web browser and search for Microsoft Visual C++ Redistributable Download. Click on the official Microsoft link. The URL should be from Microsoft.com. I'll include the direct link in the description for easy access. Step 3. Select Correct Version. On the download page, you need to choose the right version for your system. If you have a 64-bit computer, select the x64 version. If you're using a 32-bit computer, select the x86 version. Most modern computers are 64-bit. If you have an ARM-based computer, select the ARM64 version. How to check your system type. To verify your system type, go to Settings, System, About. Under Device Specifications, you'll see System Type. It will say either 64-bit or 32-bit. Step 4. Download the file. Once you've selected the correct version, click the Download button. The installer file will download to your Downloads folder. It's usually a small file, around 10 to 20 megabytes. Step 5. Install Visual C++. Locate the downloaded file in your Downloads folder and double-click it to run the installer. Click Yes if User Account Control prompts you. The installation wizard will open. Simply click Install and accept the license terms. The installation is very straightforward and takes only a minute or two. Step 6. Restart your computer. After installation completes, restart your computer. This ensures all changes take effect properly. Step 7. Verify installation. After restarting, press Windows plus R again, type appwizpl.cpl and press Enter. Scroll through the programs list, and you should now see the newly installed Microsoft Visual C++. You can check the Install Date column to confirm when it was installed. Why you need this? Many applications and games require Visual C++ Redistributable to run properly. If you're getting errors about missing DLL files or runtime errors, installing the latest Visual C++ Redistributable often fixes these issues. And that's it! You've successfully downloaded and installed Microsoft Visual C++ Redistributable on your Windows computer.